Today, I'm bringing you a public exam problem involving an exponential equation. I want to see how you guys are doing with this type of problem. So, pause the video, try to solve it, and then tell me in the comments what you thought. I'll show you the step-by-step solution. Come with me. Did you manage to solve it yourself? Well, I'm Professor Robson Lyers. I teach math for exam candidates, and I'll show you the step-by-step solution. Look, the value of x so that you have 5 raised to 3x minus 9 minus 125 equals 0. Here are the options. The first step for us to solve this kind of question is to put everything in the same base. But before that, I'm going to take the minus 125 and move it to the other side of the equation. So, it will be 5 raised to 3x minus 9 equals minus 125. Move it to the other side and it becomes 125. Well, since 5 is a prime number, I can't change its base. I'm going to take the 125 and write it in base 5. How do I do that? We just need to take 125 and break it down into prime factors. Well, for those who are already good at exponentiation, you can even do it in your head, right? 5 raised to what power gives 125? We just need to factor 125 by 5 here. 125 divided by 5 is 25. 25 can be divided by 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5 can be divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. We've finished our decomposition. Notice that 5 appeared 3 times here. That is, 125 in base 5 is 5 raised to the power of 3 or 5 cubed. Coming back to our equation here, it will be 5 raised to 3x minus 9 equal to 125 in base 5, which is 5 cubed. All right. Since we have an equality of powers with the same bases, we can simplify the bases. I can cancel this 5 here with this one, so it will be 3x minus 9 equals 3. Minus 9. It's being subtracted, so when I move it to the other side, I add it. So 3x will be equal to 3 plus 9, which is 12. So it became 3x equals 12. 3x, that means the 3 is multiplying the x, so we move it to the other side. Using the inverse operation, which is division, x will be equal to 12 divided by 3. Solving this division, we conclude that x equals 4. Exactly what the problem was asking for. The value of x so that 5 raised to the power of 3, x minus 9 minus 125 equals 0, is when x is 4. Whoever chose this letter got it right. Great question. If you solved it differently than I did, let me know in the comments. We've finished another explanation. If you enjoyed it, like the video to support Professor Robson's channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Don't forget to share it on social media with your friends. Thanks. A big hug from Professor Robson, and I hope to see you in the next class.